Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about economic importance of Dalveria Shisu. Dalveria cultivation nursery and planting of Dalveria Shisu. This is a very important tree of agroforestry. Scientific name Dalveria Shisu, common name Sisam Shisu, family Leguminaceae, subfamily Papilionidae. Then some picture of Dalveria Shisu, tree of Dalveria Shisu, and sesame bark and leaf pattern. Description: it is a large deciduous tree with light crown having thick, rough, grey bark with shallow, broad longitudinal features exposing in irregular woody strips and scales. It attained a height of 30 meter and width of 2.4 meter. Distribution: ये कौन कौन सी चीजें होता है? The species occurs throughout the sub-Himalaya tract and outer Himalaya valley from the Indus to Assam, usually up to 900 meter, but occasionally ascending up to 1500 meters. Grow gregariously or on alluvial soil along stream bank beds and island, and not freshly exposed soil along roads and landscapes along with care. Climate: it grown from tropical to subtropical climate. Temperature maximum 40 to 50 degrees centigrade, minimum 4 degrees centigrade. Rainfall 760 meter mm to 400 4,600 mm. uh, Altitude up to 1500 meter. Phenology: लीप फाल नवंबर टू दिसंबर। इसकी लीप फाल कब होती है? नवंबर टू दिसंबर। लीप रिन्यूअल जनवरी टू फरवरी। फ्लोरिंग मई मार्च अप्रैल। फ्रूटिंग मई टू जुलाई। फ्रूट इसका फ्रूट कब पकते हैं? नवंबर टू दिसंबर। सीड कलेक्शन नवंबर टू दिसंबर। सीड वेबिलिटी 12 टू 18 मंथ। सीड वेट 530 पर सीड ग्राम। Germination 80%. Silviculture characters: Dalveria Shisu is a strong light demanders. It is a very frost and drought hardly species. It is wind firm in nature and sensitive to fire and browsing. Then regression. Then regression is natural regression and artificial regression. Natural regression: seeds germinated during rainy season give good survival. Seeds regenerate on newly exposed soil along water channel, river and track. And then artificial: it is one of the earliest species to propagate through almost all the common method: direct sowing, entire transplanting, stem planting, seed collection and storage. The seeds are plentiful every year and keep validity of 1 year. एक साल तक इसके सीड को सोइंग कर सकते हैं. Fertile seed are produced at the age of 3 to 4 years, but is advisable to collect seed from middle age. Regularly growing trees having strength and clean balls. On an average, a medium-sized tree produces 12 to 15 kg pods. Then time of collection varies from December to mid-February in Assam, West Bengal, Punjab, from November to March in Bihar and Odisha. The seed can be collected by ascending the tree or waiting up with stick. The pods are dried in the sun 3 to 4 days and stored after removing dead leaves, foreign matter. Then germination capacity and plant percent. Germination capacity of plant percent in Dalbergia is very high, about 90% and 45% respectively. Germination percent is 90% and plant percent is 45%. Nursery technique: soaked seeds germinate after 7 to 15 days, picking by end of season. 18 to 20 semi height. 56 kg seed are sufficient for 1 hectare area. 1 हेक्टेयर एरिया में 56 kg सीड सफिशियंट है. Planting technique. Direct sowing. Direct sowing is the easiest method to raise sesame. Planting is a fact. Most of the seeds are sown in lines at the break of rains. मानसून में इसको डायरेक्ट सोइंग कर सकते हैं. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन लाइन्स वेरीज फ्रॉम 3 to 4 meters. Entire planting. The planting of entire seedling being much more laborious and costly is adopted only in special case such as arid areas, area infested with tall grasses, wet sites or along the roadside. ये इन टाइम प्लांटिंग होते हैं वो वेरी कॉस्टली होती है. ये स्पेशल केस में काम में लेते हैं, जैसे शुष्क एरिया में या फिर जिसमें ग्रास का ज़्यादा अटैक है उसमें, या रोड की दोनों साइड में. Planting is generally done when the summer rain have properly set in, while the pit may be dug sometime earlier. Then stump planting. Stump planting is clearly advantage or either entire planting or direct sowing. Cost of stump planting is low. Planting period is extendable from July to September. The season of stump planting would depend upon the local rainfall and availability of artificial irrigation. Best time of planting is very rainy season. Stumps are spaced 1.8 meter apart in lines on trays with which are 3 meter apart from row to row. Then economic importance of Dalbergia Sisu. फर्नीचर एंड हाउस कंस्ट्रक्शन. फर्नीचर में काम में लेते हैं, हाउस घर बनाने के काम में लेते हैं, फ्यूल एंड चारकोल के काम में लेते हैं, लीफ पाउडर के काम में लेते हैं, एंड एंटी इरोजन वर्क का काम करती है. थैंक यू.